Hi, so a little bit different location today. It's the outside of the School of Programming that I'm studying at. Um, yeah, so today I would like to film a video about how to study for AP exams, AP Biology and Chemistry in particular. Um, and why should you do that? So AP exams, advanced placement exams, are taken at high school of the US, or you can uh, get ready for them on your own with a tutor if you find one in your country and take it in your country. So it's particularly cheap to take those exams and is a great kickstart of your college experience. You will learn the material faster, you will start from a higher level course, and you will end up being a step ahead from your peers. Um, Places to take them take place all around the world, and this year even online. So some universities even provide you with challenge exams, which are absolutely free, but you'll need to contact your university. Yeah, speaking about the coronavirus times, universities usually take up to 8 subjects of the advanced placement tests, which is 33 college credits in total. So we know that baccalaureate is 120 credits, and you may skip the whole year of your studies, save about $60,000 depending on your college tuition fees. About my college tuition fees, it would be $80,000. So why not do that? Um, the first tip that I came up with is to go on a campus tour. It's uh, important anyways if you want to go for AP classes, not go for AP classes. Just go on a campus tour, feel how you feel about the university. Get in touch with your future classmates, upperclassmen, um, ask them for advice about what they've learned first year. Maybe they will give you some PDFs of the file that they received. Maybe they will give you links to the lectures that were recorded, because clearly a lot of lectures now are recorded, um, because it's usually 30% of Zoom classes. Yeah. Number two would be to get yourself a book for preparation, which is the most obvious one, or print out the resources that are free on the internet and just practice and practice and get until it gets perfect. So you may do up to like 5 textbooks, and don't be upset after you've done like the whole test of the first book and it's kind of awful. You just do another one, and it will get perfect inevitably. Number three is Khan Academy, an innovational nonprofit resource brought by an MIT graduate, MIT Sloan School of Business, as far as I understand. Um, the resources they are certified by College Board, and they are official. They are approved. Um, if you want, you may donate some portion of your money to let this project run. This would be a really good thing. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, the fourth point of my little research came up. AP level teachers gave lectures on the official YouTube channel on the live mode, like broadcasting, and they were pretty exhaustive in the material they covered. So at the end of every lecture, there is a question from the exam, pre-response one. You should write the answer down and go on to the next lecture with that answer and check yourself. So maybe in the comment section, you may ask questions to your peers. It will be like peer-to-peer learning. Somebody will answer it, and it would be a good collaboration. Number five would be to go and sign up as a volunteer in a laboratory and get some hands-on experience to make some questions for the exam obvious. I do like that. I volunteered truly for free, and I do some lab experiments, some little research. You might as well understand better whether you want to do that in the future, because it may be your career if you want, and if you don't, it's better to know now. Number 6 would be to do your own research project and become perfectly aware of the many resources of one particular topic which you have chosen, which you enjoy, which you've made some extra surfing on. Um, it will make you masterful in scientific methods that are usually used in real life, something like databases and how to operate with them, maybe learn a little programming to wrap it up. Um, it's better to be aware of the means to succeed earlier and become experienced before you are asked to do that mandatory on university campus. Number 7 is to go out to MIT OpenCourseWare and edX. They have archives to check your knowledge. They are literally the best world universities. They are absolutely free and were used by MIT graduates some years ago, so why not go? Number 8 would be to attend courses of the nearest university open to you as a free listener. Um, it will make you confident in the material that you wrapped your head around by yourself. You will make some changes to that if there are mistakes, or make sure you understand everything perfectly. You will not get any credit for that because you are a free listener, but you will also pay nothing. And yeah, it would be just really nice for you. Number 9 is to find a study group, make it on your own. Make a little motivation for all of the group. For instance, after learning a new unit, you may go to an interesting lecture, fancy museum, cinema, theater, or whatever you all agree on. Motivation is really important in that at that point, and you can find more of research on motivation on Langold University website. It's clearly very important. It builds up your neural connections, and your brain now works in the way that it wants more and more information. So don't let um, a very high load of work overwhelm you. You'd rather make it motivating for yourself. Number 10 would be quite costly, but you may go out and serve for some scholarship for that. It would be summer courses for highly motivated high school students or for early level college students. A lot of Ivy League universities provide such an opportunity, or a lot of German universities do. You may find scholarships for them on the website of DAAD, grantees.com, or studyfree.org, or just a regular web surfing if you like. You'll study hand in hand with the most motivated and interested students during the summer course. From America, Europe, Asia, you can potentially learn a new language if you want, or practice one. Uh, Courses there are taught by professors or even distinguished professors. So getting to know your heroes is priceless. You can get recommendation letters from them. You can get their emails and ask questions later on, maybe about your research. Um, so in a nutshell, finally, college journey is tough, but depending on your attitude, you may decide for yourself whether it's cool and you're up for it, and the path you decide you will use for a good portion of your life. Or you take your time and find something else. Maybe go on a gap year, take it slower, but make it with all possible quality that you can provide. So comment your questions. I will be more than glad to answer them. And thank you for watching.